Today I'm going to do some dark lips with some glamorous eye makeup. I've listed the products that I'm using. If you're on Facebook, you'll find it in the comments. And if this is YouTube, you'll find it in the description in the order of my application. Always use a lip balm before makeup. I'm going to do my upper lid eyeshadow first and then the rest of the face. So I'm going to prep it with some concealer and some Studio Fix or any powder of your choice just to mattify the upper eyelid. First, I'm using this neutral eyeshadow with the Sigma E25 brush and I'm going to put it all over my upper eyelid. I'm going to go till the socket, which is the crease line. And if you have hooded eyes, take it a little beyond that. This particular step I do all the time. You'll see in all my videos. This is just to contour the eye. Now I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow. You can take any brown eyeshadow of your choice. And I'm using this very soft brush for my outer corner and the socket because it blends beautifully. Take your time to blend because we don't want any harsh lines. Now I'm going to take this shimmery shade and just dab it on with my finger, and later I'm going to blend it in with a flat brush. You can use any flat brush for it. Now when I blend it in with this flat brush, this was actually a part of just a palette I had. So any brush that looks like this will do. Just make sure you keep it on the upper eyelid and don't go into the crease line. Then take a clean soft brush, this is the Pack 204, and just blend in the crease so there's no harsh line between your crease line and the shimmer eyeshadow. Before going into the lower eyelid, I'm going to just brush off any extra product on my face with any powder brush, and I'm going to take this Bobbi Brown primer, which is my favorite, and put it all over my face. I like to press my primer in so that it gets into my pores and my face doesn't look dry. Now take a liquid foundation of your choice. I'm using this Dior one because it's really light and I'm going to take really less. Blend it in with a soft foundation brush. I don't apply too much around my mouth because it can create smile lines, which is one of the reasons why I avoid liquid foundation. We'll manage that part with the concealer. Now use your concealer wherever required and on the highlighted parts of your face. I'm going to mildly bake the under eye, and I like this product because it's not too harsh and it really highlights beautifully. Now take any dark brown eyeshadow and a pencil brush, does not matter which brand, and lightly, very gently apply it on your outer lower lash line just to create a shadow. I don't want to go very dark on the eyes because my lipstick's going to be dark. I'm going to groom my eyebrows now, just comb it out. This is a reasonably important step before you fill in the empty parts. Wherever you need to touch up your eyebrows, just touch it up, follow the direction of your hairline, and just keep it to that much because overdoing it could look really weird. Set it with a transparent gel so that your eyebrows don't move all day. Now I'm taking a nude kohl or kajal, whatever you like to call it, and I'm applying it on my lower waterline. This also makes the eyes look bigger and somehow kind of adds a glam factor. Please make sure it's a nude shade and not white. The one I'm using is by Rimmel, which is discontinued, but use one of your choice, but make sure it's nude and not white. Curl your lashes and use a good mascara. This is the Huda Legit Lashes. It lifts the eyelashes even if you don't use a curler. And first use the volume side. Then use the curl and length side. Next step, take your highlighter, whichever highlighter you like, and apply it on your outer brow bone. Don't go all the way inside, just on the part where the bone pops, the outer brow bone. Take a nude lip liner of your choice, make sure it's a couple of shades darker than your skin tone, and fill out your lips and line it. Then take a darker lip liner and line your lips. Time for my lipstick. I'm going to do some mild contouring now. I really like soft contour angled brushes. They blend beautifully. Blend in your contour with your powder brush. Take a blush of your choice and a soft brush. If not, you can also dab it in with your finger, especially if you're using a cream blush. I stick to cream blushes because my skin is very dry. So just see where I'm applying it and choose a blush of your choice. Here I'm using a brush to dab it in because I really don't want to mess up my hands. But honestly, I prefer dabbing it in with my hands compared to a brush. Complete your makeup with a good highlighter. It really doesn't matter which brush you use. This is a random concealer brush that I'm using. Use a brush that feels convenient to you. Hope you're enjoying my easy makeup techniques. If you're on Facebook, please do follow. If you're on YouTube, do subscribe. And let me know if your daily makeup routine or your daily makeup life has been made easy by me. Till next time.